Hi everyone! Hello! I hope you are okay. So my name is Mrs. Beverly Suarez. You can call me Ma'am Bev. And ang video lessons na ito ay mapapanood nyo sa aking channel sa YouTube kung saan magkakaroon tayo ng different video lessons na ilalagay ko sa isang playlist para madali nyo pong mapanood. Ang nilalaman ng mga videos na to ay ang lesson natin sa bawat araw. Okay? So, let's start learning! Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So right now, i-discuss natin ang module number 2, lesson number 2 about setting up computer networks. So, mag-enable itong mga to by Saturday. So we have here the WHLP at makikita nyo dito ang mga gagawin ninyong activities. For this lesson, meron tayong tatlong activities to do, which are the following: what I know, what I have learned at assessment. Okay? Then, let me just scroll up. So, ayan, ang attendance ay syempre mag-enable on the day of your schedule. We have the soft copy on the module and then right after that, syempre isusunod ko na tong video lesson na to na ilalagay ko rin dito sa Google Classroom para nakikita nyo ng bongga. Okay, so what I know ay sasagutan dito sa Google Docs. Okay, dito sa Google Classroom mismo. Naka-Google Docs siya and each one of you ay may sarili kayong copy. So, paano siya sinasagutan? It's not the usual what I know kasi may computation dito. So, di ba nasanay kayo sa checklist na chine-checkan lang siya, di ba? Ganon. Dito, ang ginagawa dito sa what I know ay checkan mo pa rin pero may i-compute ka. How to do it? Let's say, ayan, may competencies dyan and it's up to you kung anong rating mo sa sarili mo. Again, wala tong mali o tamang sagot. Basta gawin nyo lang na maayos. So, yan, I can do it confidently. Ibig sabihin, a lot yan. Parang a lot, no? I can do it confidently but assistant, so medyo. And I'm not confident, walang-wala talaga. Okay, so it's up to you. Paano lalagyan? Pwede lang kayo mag /. Ayan, yung slash. Okay, so yan. So, it's up to you kung anong assessment nyo sa sarili nyo dyan. So, yan. Bawat statement, syempre, basahin, unawain. Okay? Then, when you hit number 10, yan na yung last, diba? May makikita ko itong total. Ano yung total na yan? I-add mo itong column na ito. Okay? Kung ilan ang may check dyan. Each check is 3 points. Okay? Let us see. So, kasi diba nakita nyo 3. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na checks times 3, ilan yon? 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so ganon. So, dito naman 2 points bawat may check. So, ilan ang may check dito? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 times 4 ay 8. Okay, and then dito, 1 point, no? Ilan ang may check ng 1 point? 1, 2, so 2. Then, ang grand total, may instruction dito. For you to get the scores, for you to get the grand total, you need to add all of the scores. Then divide it by the total number of items. So, add all of the scores. Ilan tong scores na to? 12 plus 8 plus 2. Ilan yon? 12 plus 8 will give you 20, right? Plus 2 will give you 22. So, let's say 22. Yan. Divided by, ilan ang number of items dito? We have 1 hanggang 10. So, 22 divided by 10. Pwede na kayo gumamit ng calculator dyan, no? Kung gusto nyo. Okay, so yan. So, 22 divided by 10, ito sample ko lang, 22 divided by 10, 2.2. Okay? So, i-equal mo yan. Equals, ayan, saan na-equal ko? Ayan, 2.2. Which means, andito sa bracket kung ano yung 2.2. Let me just enlarge it. 2.2 will fall under ito, dito, nakita nyo? 2.2 nandyan sa gitna. So, yan. Ito ang kakopy ko. Control C. Tapos yan. Confident but needs assistance. There you have it. So, gusto kong ganyan ang itsura ng inyong gawa. So, may checklist and then computein bawat column kung ilan. Paano mag-compute? Yan. 3, 2, 1. Bilangin nyo lang kung ilan ang check. Tapos i-times nyo dun sa level niya. Okay? Then, i-add lahat. Sum it up. Okay? Then, i-divide mo sa 10. Kung ano yung quotient niya. Hanapin mo yung corresponding verbal interpretation niya dito sa brackets ng numerical value. Okay? So, syempre may rubric dyan kung lahat ba na-checkan nyo, kung nag-get nyo ba yung total, at kung nakuha nyo yung grand total, at dapat makita ko ang verbal interpretation. So, ganon. Yan po. Once again, ganyan ang itsura ng what I know. Okay, so of course, I will, I will undo. Kasi, syempre, okay, so, balik siya sa original. Okay. So, yan. Ganyan magsagot ng what I know. Okay, up next. What I have learned. Ang what I have learned naka-Google Forms. So, dito magsasagot ng what I have learned. Ano yung makikita dyan? Siyempre, magbasa muna kayo ng module. So, let's say, ayan, your name is Cruz Lily. So, ayan. Then, may tatlong parts yung what I have learned dito. First part, yan, multiple choice. So, about to sa mga 5 tabs ng MS Config. Ano ba siya? Itong utility na to ay under ba siya ng general, boot, services, startup, o tools. Okay? So, it's up to you on how to answer dyan. Okay, nandun yan sa module, yung lesson yan. Okay, finish nyo lang siya hanggang number 10. Yan. The next category. Next category naman ay ito, applet grouping. You're going to check here the different applets ng control panels under ng category na ito. Ano po yun? So, nakita nyo dito, may category ng appearance and theme. Choose 3. Pili ka ng 3. Ibig sabihin, 3 ang checkan mo. So, alamin mo na dun sa module kung ano yung parts nung 3 yan. Nung 3 utilities under appearance and theme. Okay? Tapos, so on. Ayan, choose 2. Ayan, choose 2 daw. So, pili kang 2. I'm just clicking random things. And then, choose 3 ulit sa category ng sound, speech. Printers, choose 5. Okay, so yan, dapat 5. 5 ang piliin mo po. And then, choose 3 dito. Okay, so there. Up next, the last part. True or false lang. Okay, so read the statement, of course. Then select true or false. And then submit. Okay. So, ganun yung what I have learned. Next, paano naman sa sagutan ng assessment? Siyempre, sa e-learning ka magsasagot niyan. So, you need to go to the e-learning, of course. And then, mag-go lang ako sa e-learning. Gagamitin ko ang student account para pareho tayo ng POV. Okay, let me just get the student account for grade 10. And then, ayan. So, lalagin nyo syempre yung account nyo sa e-learning. And then, punta sa specialization, computer system servicing. Tapos, ayan na. Marami sa inyo ang nagsagot nito. Okay. Agad-agad. Kasi, pinost ko to kahapon. Pero, hindi nyo alam, ito pala ang dapat yung sagutan for this week. Baka yung mga nakalimot dyan, hello. Also, the pretest, hi. It will expire sa Quizalize. You know, Quizalize, their Quizalize. And the code, makikita nyo naman dyan. Also, sa sa Google Classroom din. Nandun din siya. I believe. Nandun nga ba siya? Yung pretest. Oh, yes, nandyan. Okay, so makita nyo yung code dyan. Okay, so, saan makikita? Sa discussion tab, yung assessment. Sa discussion tab, nandun yung question ng assessment. Okay, so, ayan, this is the assessment. Just answer the 3 questions. So, dapat masagot nyo yung 3 questions na yan. Okay, this is the rubric. How to answer that? Syempre, sa e-note nyo sagutan. Go to e-note, but before I go to e-note, let me just copy the title para madali. So, yan, e-note, and then punta dito sa second quarter. Bakit? Kasi second quarter na po. Okay, then click add activity, select second quarter. Yan, just paste the title, diba? Titlean nyo na maayos para, wag nyo lang titlean na assessment, what I know, what I can do. Hindi ko alam kung anong module yan, okay? Marami tayong modules, okay? So, ayan. Click next and then just type your answer for number 1. What is your answer for number 2? So on and so forth hanggang number 3. And then, click next and save. Okay, and then ganun lang. Okay, and then, syempre, huwag kalimutan i-accomplish ang individual learning monitoring sheet. Now, let's go to the module itself. At pag-usapan na natin about dito sa lesson number 2, which is about configurations. Okay? Different computer system tools used in configuration. So, ito yung what I know. Na-demo ko na kung paano yan i-accomplish. So, ang configuration ay configuration. Well, pag well-tuned ng isang trouble-free system para ko-configure mo siya para maayos siya. Ganon. Maayos ang takbo niya. So, components are arranged here to make up a computer system. So, yan. Consists both of hardware and software components. Okay, mayroon din tayong pang-assist sa configuration. Ito yung mga tinatawag na diagnostic tools. Diagnostic utilities or programs. These are built into the hardware drivers and components ng Windows OS. Okay? So, some of the built-in tools are being discussed here. Lalong-lalo na dito sa mga ito. Yan, yung msconfig, regedit, directx, at saka control panel applets. Okay, Microsoft configuration. It sets the programs that will start at startup. Yan, may 5 functional tabs siya, which are the following: the general, boot, services, startup, and tools. Under general, this is how the computer will start. Okay, by default, syempre, normal startup yan, the usual manner. Pag diagnostic startup, niload niya lang yung basic services and drivers. Selected settings, ayan, basic services and drivers pa rin, and other services and startup that you select. Okay, so ganyan yung itsura. Okay, nung msconfig. At makikita nyo, may tabs yan. Yan, tabs. Ito yung tabs na sinasabi ko. Yan, we have the general, the boot, the services, the startup, and tools. Okay? So, ganyan. Next, ay, ito naman, boot. Ang boot ay, it shows the, configuration options of the OS, especially yung mga debugging. So, meron tayong tinatawag na safe boot, minimal, GUI ang binuboot niya, ibig sabihin may mga icons yan. In a safe mode. Of course, networking is disabled dito. Safe boot, alternate shell, command prompt lang makikita mo dyan in a safe mode. Wala kang GUI or graphical user interface and wala kang networking. Safe boot, Active Directory pair, may GUI in a safe mode pero ang niload niya lang ay Active Directory. Yan, safe boot network, may GUI in a safe mode. Networking is enabled na. Okay? No GUI boot, no display. Okay? Boot log, information ng boot process. Base video, binuot niya yung GUI in a minimal VGA mode. Okay? OS boot information, shows driver names, and make all boot settings permanent. Ibig sabihin po yan, yun na yung permanent boot settings mo. Okay? Until you change it. Okay? I know the pictures are blurry, pero lilinaw yan mamaya sa later part ng module. Okay, so under boot, ito, syempre nagbabago na yung content mo dyan. Okay? So, services tab. It enables or disable any Microsoft Windows services. Of course, pag hinide mo yung services, you can see all the other services ng Windows 51. Okay? Na usually ito mga nagko-cause ng problems. Yung mga startup programs yan. Okay, disabling the services that normally run might cause some problems or malfunctions. So, of course, do it at your own risk. Do not disable services in the list unless you know kung ano ba talaga sila. So, yan. Yan yung may mga checklist. Okay, under services tab. Okay, startup tab is a list of applications that run when the computer boots. You just need to clear the checkbox for a startup item to disable on your next boot. Okay, so ayan. Halimbawa, gusto mo, pag-on mo para mas mabilis mag-boot yung system mo, di-disable mo yung mga certain programs dyan na hindi naman importante. Okay, tools tab. Nandito yung mga different diagnostic tools. Yan, pang-diagnose. Okay, regedit. Si regedit ay registry, collection ng database ng configuration settings ng Windows OS. Okay, may mga structures yan and it's hierarchical. Ibig sabihin, may mga branches tapos nag-expand yan. So, ito yung mga branches niya. HK classes root, other file types, Navoview, it also consists of all the information. HK current user, part lang ng current na users. HK local machine, all hardware and software installed sa computer. HK users, syempre, about the user. Iba't iba yan. different colors, themes, control panel settings, ganyan. Current config, HKey current config, current hardware configuration, under local machine, HKey dynamic data, pero ito noon pa, nung Windows 95, 98 at ME pa. Okay, para sa plug and play subsystem nila. DirectX. Okay, DirectX shows information about the DirectX API, components and drivers na siya nag-handle ng sounds and graphics output. Okay, lalo na pag naglalaro ka ng games. Ayan, control panel applets. So, ito, napakadami nito. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na mga applets under ng categories. Appearance and themes. Ayan, nandiyan ang display, taskbar, start menu, at folder options. Network and internet connections, nandiyan yung dalawa. Internet options and network connections. Sound, speech, and audio devices, ayan, 3. Performance maintenance, meron tayong 4 dito. Printers and other hardware, 5 ba to? 6. 6 pala siya. User account, 2. Daytime language and regional settings, 2 din. Under accessibility options, pag meron kasi yun, accessibility siya, lalo na kung may problem ka sa paningin. Yung mga blind, ganyan, deaf. Okay, so ganun. Security center, ayan, 3. And that's it. Yeah. Okay. So, ano nang gagawin dyan? Alalahanin nyo syempre, yung iba't ibang applets na yan. So, punta tayo sa procedures kung paano sila ina-access. Ang msconfig, dahil siya built-in naman, nandiyan lang yan sa Windows operating system. From the start button, ito yung start button. Yan, start. You will need to type in the search box the word msconfig. Yan, and hit enter. And then yun see, luminaw siya, diba? Okay, so yan. For the regedit, for you to access it, syempre start button. Then sa search box, type mo lang yung word na regedit and press enter. So ito. Ito yung mga may branches. Now, how do you expand? Double-click mo lang siya para mag-expand. Tapos may plus sign yan. Double-click mo lang yun para mag-expand ulit. Okay, so ayan. Plus sign. Then, nag-enter dyan usually ng mga values. Okay, DirectX. You just need to click the start button. At type mo yung word na dxdiag. Yan. Okay, para makita mo yung different sounds and video resources mo. Okay, what I have learned. So, ito na. So, see? Ginawa ko na siyang Google Forms kanina. No? So, dito yung part 1 ng pag-identify kung anong tab siya. Itong mga to. Kung boot, services, startup, o tools ba yan. Applet grouping, yung control panel applets. Yung pinakita ko kanina na mga subgroups under appearance and theme, network and internet connections. Okay, dito nyo po tingnan. Isusulat, I mean. Okay, true or false, ayan, true or false lang yan. Hindi na gagawin ang what I can do. Okay, bali ang second activity nyo is ito, no? What I have learned. Okay, and then the last activity will be the assessment. So, ayun. So, yan. Ganun lang kadali ang gagawin sa ating module number 2, lesson number 2. Okay, and of course, in accomplishing the individual learning monitoring sheet, huwag kalimutan. Okay, ganyan pa rin naman ang format, walang nabago. So that's it. Thank you very much. I do hope this video will help you in accomplishing your task. Have a great day. Paalam!